In this video, we'll talk about the basics of browsing in Firefox, such as navigating to a website, opening windows and tabs, downloading files, and viewing browsing history. To visit a website or search the web, find the address bar at the top of the screen. Type in a web address and press Enter. Your website will then appear. Don't worry if you don't know the website address. You can also use the address bar to do a search. Type in any search terms. As you type, search suggestions will appear with a magnifying glass next to them. You can either click on these suggestions or type your own search and press Enter. A list of search results will appear, and you can click one to check it out. You can also use the address bar to quickly find pages you have previously visited or bookmarked. Maybe you previously visited the Grand Canyon website. The website will appear in the list. Click on it to return to the website without having to perform a search. There are 4 main buttons used for navigation. The back button and the forward button allow you to move through pages you have recently viewed. The refresh button will reload the current page. You can use refresh if a web page stops working, or if you want to see if there are any changes to the web page. Finally, the home button will take you to your home page. Your home page is the first page that appears whenever you start Firefox. Tabs allow you to have multiple web pages open in the same window. To open a new tab, click the plus sign and use it to visit any website you'd like. To see a different tab, click the one you wish to view. Close a tab by clicking the X to the right of the tab. When you find a link on a website, you can view it in a new tab by right-clicking it, then selecting Open Link in New Tab. Feel free to open as many as you'd like. I'm going to open a few tabs right now. This will make it easy for you to go back and forth between multiple web pages. You can move tabs by clicking and dragging one to the desired position, then releasing the mouse. You can even pull one to a new window of its own. Just click and drag it out of the browser window, then release the mouse. It will then appear in its own window. If you've found a file on the web that you want to save to your computer, you can download the file by clicking the link, and it may download automatically. However, if it doesn't download automatically, you can right-click it and select Save Link As. When the dialog box opens, select the location where you want to save the file, and enter a file name. Let's call this Grand Canyon Trip. Then click Save to begin downloading. To check its progress, click the Download button in the top right corner. When it's finished downloading, click the file to open it. Every website you visit is remembered in a record known as your browsing history, and you can view it by clicking the Menu button in the top right corner, selecting Library, and clicking History. Then choose Show All History. Click Today to show your recently visited websites. Select another time on the left of the window to see your history on a different day. To return to a website, double-click it. Now you're ready to browse the web with Firefox.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.